Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Tarot with Aisha. Hope you all are doing well. If you are new to my channel and haven't yet subscribed to it, do it right away so that you are notified whenever I upload a new video. For personalized readings, you can reach out to me on my Instagram page. Link to this is mentioned in the description box below. Also, if you want daily readings, want to know the daily energy checks, you can follow me on the Instagram page as it is going to be starting from the 1st of June, so you can get the updates over there. Today I am here with a new reading for week ahead. Let us see what and how is going to be our upcoming week, that is 31st of May to 6th of June. Moving on to our readings. So we have the Hermit card, the Hanged Man and the Queen of Cups card over here. So what do I see कि next week में हो सकता है थोड़े energies will be low. You might be disappointed from your past decisions. Maybe you would be overthinking and will be occupied on thinking on the past decisions that you have taken. So you might not be able to get a clarity on what you want to do ahead in your future, or you need to just fix the past actions that you have taken. Along with it, I see that emotionally there will be instability. With the Hangman card over here, I see that you or someone at your place might get ill, might be at a bed rest, not a critical one, but even small health issues or low energies might impact your week. With the Hermit card over here, I also see that if you are looking for some opportunities coming up for you, it would be difficult in this week. अगर कुछ investment कर रहे हो, कोई job opportunity का if you are waiting, so I think that would be a disappointing news if you get it in this week, or maybe ऐसा हो सकता है कि it will get delayed. Also, the Hermit card is showing me that things will be delayed if you have already invested in something, or if you are waiting for a decision or to hear something from the other person, maybe for a job opportunity or for a proposal or for anything, it would be delayed in this week. Most of your time would be spent either overthinking or thinking on particular aspect of your life, or might be for waiting for a particular aspect of your life. With the Queen of Cups over here, I see that you are going to be able to control your emotions, even if that will bring in instability, but you will have that control over your emotions and you would be more nurturing and caring towards your loved ones and your family members. Let's see what guidance do we have for this week. The guidance card over here shows me that the week is going to be a bit slower week, so do not give up on your hopes. Just hold on to where you are. Do not quit. Do not think of quitting on things and give up on things. Instead, put in the energies. Wait, have patience. Wait, you are going to reach your destination, your goals very soon, but have that patience. Hold on, have that stability in yourself to hold on to a particular situation. Just do not react to anything. Control your fiery energies, which results in reacting too frequently. So doing so would definitely help you and get you through this week calmly and patiently, and you will see a bigger picture in the upcoming weeks. That's all for this week. Do let me know in the comment section if it resonated with you. Also let me know what all topics you want me to cover for the upcoming videos. Do not forget to like and share the video. Soon I will be posting a new pick a card reading, which is going to be my first pick a card reading on this channel. So do not forget to watch that video. For that, you just have to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon.